Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to walk you through how to change app icon on iPhone. So to change your app icon on iPhone, for example, if you want to change this app icon right here, like this is access more app, this is the app icon. So if you want to change it to a new icon probably, or you want to change it to something else, here's a simple guide on how you can do this. So the first thing to do for you to be able to change this app icon is to tap on this shortcut app on your iPhone. Once you tap on the shortcut app, then tap on this plus icon at the top, just tap on it. Then from here you have to add an action. Tap on add action, then use the search bar at the top, then search for open app. Just search for open app, search for it, open app. Then tap on this first option, which is under scripting, open app. Tap on it. Then once you tap on the open app, then tap the app right in front of the open. Tap on the app right in front of the open. Just tap on the app. Okay, tap on it, and this will bring out the list of the app that you have on your mobile and the one that you want to change the specific icon for. So maybe I want to change the app icon for this Access mobile app. Just tap on it. Then once I tap on it, they can see that this has been from app that's changed to Access more. Then after that, the next thing to do is to click on this square button, which the square that has an arrow at the top. This right here, tap on it. At the downside, just tap on it. Then this will bring out an option where you can simply add this new shortcut to your home screen. So just tap on add to home screen. Yeah, from here you can now change the app icon of this new shortcuts that we're about to create for this Access Bank app. So you can decide to take a picture, or probably choose a photo from your gallery. So I'm just going to pick a photo from my gallery. So I'm going to tap on this. So then tap on choose. You can see that this app has this new app shortcut has a new icon. Then you can also change the name. So changing the name, I'll just simply put Access. You can see that. Then tap on add. And that's it. So now when you go back to your home screen to try and check, now you can see this is a new shortcut right here. Then once I tap on it, it is straightly open up Access for me. And that's how you can simply change app icon on iPhone. Find the video helpful, turn on the notification button and follow for more. Thank you.